Here are 10 CapCut editing hacks that I've learned that you may have never known existed. Hi, I'm Sarah, that wreath maker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you aren't already, please hit that subscribe and like button. Today, I'm sharing 10 CapCut editing hacks that will completely change how you edit your videos. Whether you're creating reels, sharing TikToks, YouTube videos, these tips will save you so much time and really help your content look next level. So let's get into it. So hack number 1, it's definitely going to be to remove that CapCut ending. If you already use CapCut, you know that at the end of your video, it turns black and there's this little message that comes up and it says CapCut and shows your ID number right here on the screen. This is what it looks like. So just go into your camera roll, find that video, and then you can hit edit and trim that down. Get that ending off of there. It doesn't have to be on there. Boom. Clean ending and no free advertising. Number 2, the background remover. I love this feature. Now, it is not a free feature, but it is one that you want, especially if you are trying to be a content creator. CapCut has a super powerful AI background remover. Just tap your video, scroll over, hit remove background. You can hit the AI version if you want. You can do it yourself, but the AI version is next level. I love it. No green screen needed. It's perfect for product videos or tutorials when you want to float yourself over B-roll. Number 3, the DIY green screen look. You want a fake green screen? Film yourself in front of a blank wall and then add your clip, tap cut out, and then either use chroma key or remove background, and then layer yourself over any video that you want, or clip, photo, whatever you want. You have a custom background in seconds. Number 4 is to place the text behind you. If you want text behind you like a pro, use the background remover first, then add your text on base layer, and now you're on top. And then the next text is layered underneath, like real motion graphics, and no After Effects needed. Next is turning your slideshow into a 3D video. Drag your photos in, then hit style, and then 3D zoom. CapCut will animate your photos so that they have motion and depth. This is perfect for photo dumps, portfolio videos, stuff like that. Number 6 is product pop-up. You ever see those cute product lions on the screen? Here's how. Add a transparent PNG or photo of your product. Tap animation in and choose pop-up or bounce. Add sound effects for that extra pop. Perfect for showcasing items in tutorials or video hauls. A lot of different options here. Number 7 is creating awesome cover photos. Always have a attention-grabbing, creative, eye-catching cover photo. It is so important. That's the first glimpse that people are going to see. You want them to engage and want to engage. So definitely don't post a video without a cover photo. One way to do it is pause your video at a good frame, tap export frame, then go into your photo editor in Canva, that's a good one, and add your text. You can even add your text right here in CapCut. I'm going to show you how. This is how I create my thumbnails, my cover photos for every video, and they have awesome text animations, effects, styles, beautiful fonts, really engaging, bright colors. They even show you what is trending right now. So let me just show you that right here.
Alrighty, so choose your image. I'm just going to use the one that I did for this video. And then you go tap add text. And then you'll see there at the bottom, I hit add text, put in whatever you choose. You can choose your styles, different animations, effects. Now you won't use an animation for your cover photo, but the effects are definitely something you want to use. They have amazing options, beautiful, bright colors that are going to catch people's attention, which is exactly what you want to achieve. So type whatever you're going to. You want a catchy title. You can move it around, edit it, do whatever you'd like. But this is how I edit my cover photos for my videos. You can also add cool stickers for your cover photo. I like to add something just to make it a little more intriguing.
So then you can just add that on to your YouTube videos, your reel. You can have your choice of your cover photo that is going to get you the most engagement. It really needs to be, intriguing to someone else. Number 8, the Spotify scroll effect. To recreate the Spotify lyrics scroll effect, use text boxes that fade in and out with each lyric. Use animations like fade in and time them to your audio, and you can do all of that in CapCut. Then add a background blur behind the text and make it pop, just like Spotify. Number 9 is using the built-in teleprompter. If you struggle to talk on camera, this one's for you. CapCut's teleprompter is a game-changing tool. Go to the text-to-speech and then choose teleprompter, paste your script in, and then adjust the scroll speed and talk while it plays. You'll stay on track and look confident, and overall, it's just very helpful. Number 10 is the typing effect. To make your text look like they're being typed out live, you would add a text box and choose animations, in, and then typewriter. So these are great for like a dramatic reveal or like story time style videos, that kind of stuff. And that's it. Those are 10 CapCut video editing hacks that I've learned. I really hope this video is helpful to you and can help you level up your video editing game. Let me know in the comments which of these you're going to try, what you're excited about, anything that you've learned, maybe something you've learned in CapCut as well that could be helpful to others. That's all we're doing here, sharing helpful tips. I want to help anyone that I can in any way that I can. And this has really helped me. I love CapCut. I use it every single day. I upgraded and got the Pro version, and I will never look back. It was the best decision ever. Let me know if you want a part 2 where I can go over the differences in the standard version and the Pro and why I love it so much and how it has helped me in my business. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that little bell so you don't miss out on tips for creators and small business owners. And be sure and check out my small business. It is on Etsy. I make handmade, high-quality wreaths, and that is Vine and Flower Co. Follow me on Instagram. That is Vine and Flower Co. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.